everyone, this is Nancy Agarwal. Today I am going to teach you computer. In all competitive exam, there you can secure 15 to 20 marks from computer. My syllabus is mainly based on PGT computer science. So let's get started. Here the question arises, what is computer? From where the word computer comes? It comes from the word compute. What does it mean? It means to calculate something. Very first computer, EDIAC, which was very big in size and very expensive. Just do simple calculation like a calculator. What is a computer? This is an electronic device which performs some task when we give instruction to it. There are some key strengths of it. What are they? It works very speedily. It can work in millis and microseconds. It works with great accuracy. It can work for hours. So this is very reliable. Storage capacity. It has very high storage capacity. Gigabyte, terabyte, megabyte and so on. This is very versatile. You can do many tasks at a time, like online booking. At the same time, you can play games, anything. It reduces the manpower. This is very effective, and it reduces the paperwork. There are some limitations of it. What are they? It has although there have come artificial intelligence, but still computer can't think like human, and it has dependence on power. Where it can only work when it have power supply to it. There are acronym of it. What is it? Common oriented machine, particularly used for trade and education research. This is very important from competitive exam of you. Please note down. Now we will study how it works. When we provide input to a computer, it processes the data and give corresponding output. This is how data flows. For example, when we make a call, what we do? We dial a number. In its processing, what will be done? It establishes a collection and phone rings. What will be the output? Communication begins. In this, we dial the number, this is the input, and what is processing? Establish connection, establish हुआ, and what will be the output? Communication दोनों person के बीच में हो गया. In computer, input is done by input unit. What are they? Input units are mouse, keyboard, joystick and scanner. And all this processing is done in CPU. What is CPU? This is the brain of computer. All the process is done in computer, CPU. It has two units. What are they? Control unit and arithmetical logical unit. Here we have memory storage. It has two components, primary storage and secondary storage. when we provide input from input devices, input goes to storage and after that it goes to CPU and finally we get the output. What are the output devices? Monitor, or we can say desktop, and in our phone screen. If we play the song, we get what are the output device? Speaker. If we want hard copy, printer. When we give some instruction to computer to work, it goes by input devices. Input device change the human readable form to binary, that is in 0 and 1, because computer understand only one language, that is machine language, the language of 0 and 1. Here arithmetical logical unit perform all the tasks, like if we want to compare two numbers, if we want to add, if we want to subtract, multiplication, anything, this is done in arithmetical logic unit, and from here it will go to the output unit. This is for today. We will continue next topic in the next video.